Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a repository in GitHub and in your local machine using the command line, and to set up your entire project for the landing page assignment in the Odin project. I mean, you can do this for any project, but I'm specifically doing this for the Odin project. So to begin, you're going to open up your GitHub account. And then you're going to go to new repository. Once you've done that, you're going to name your repository. You want to name it something that has to do with the project that you're working on. So I'm naming mine landing page. I'm not going to put a description because this one's pretty self-explanatory. And I'm going to add a README file. And then at the bottom here, you're going to click create repository. Once that is done, on this page, you're going to click the green code button here, and you want to make sure SSH is selected because you need to make sure that you copy and paste the SSH key. If you copy the HTTPS link, it's not going to work. Well, if you set up your SSH key in your command line. So once you've copied that, you're going to open up the terminal. Let me make this a bit bigger. Oh yeah, I forgot I don't need to do that automatically. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I want to open up my repos folder. Once I've done that, I'm going to create the folder of the repository that we just created on GitHub into this folder here. So what we're gonna write is git clone, and then we're going to paste the link that we copied earlier. Click enter. Now you've created the repository. Let's click ls. We're going to see landing page right here. So now we just want to add the files we want to create. So I'm going to open up the landing page folder, and I want to make a index.html file. And I want to create a style.css file. Okay, we're gonna see if they're there, and they are, along with the README file that we created in GitHub. Okay, so that is how you create a repository in GitHub and in Git using the command line. I hope you liked it. I hope it made sense to you. Leave me a comment, let me know. Give this video a like if it did help you out, and subscribe for more.